What's up, everybody? KC here. Today we're going to give a little love, just in case you forget. I do have these decals. If anybody would want any of these, you have to kind of get in touch with me through Instagram or through Facebook, Messenger or something like that. Facebook is KC Outside, Instagram kcoutside.pa. Okay, today I'm going to give some love to the 350. I got a slave cylinder guard here from Enduro Engineering, right there. Retail $42.95 for my dealer. I believe it was like 30 bucks, give or take, when I got it. You can probably see the part number on there. And here are the instructions. It comes with pretty detailed instructions. The one picture here is a little goofy. You can't see real well, but I think I got it figured out. I'll show you here what comes, in the kit. You got the cover right here, Enduro Engineering, and they give you, of course, 3 new bolts. Here's how it looks. Here's the back side. And it goes, you pull out your 3 bolts here, 1, 2, 3. It should go directly on. I mean, I haven't put it on yet, so I don't know. And I got to take a, you have to take a 10mm bolt out of here, which is part of your chain guard coming down here, because they also give you a new chain guard section here with a chain roller piece here to replace also. So I'm going to go ahead and pop some of these bolts out and see what happens. Get this 10 loose. Of course, you have to take your air box off. And I'm guessing you know how to do that, I hope, if you have a KTM 350. Okay, there's that bolt out. God damn. The 8mm here for the chain guard. Okay, so that drops off your whole chain guard assembly with that little, this is the new little roller piece they give you up here, basically. So, get that, discard that. Do not throw it away, in case you buy a new bike and you want to put this on. Okay, now I hope I'm doing this right. I'm going to take these 2 bolts out. What did I do with my piece? Jesus, right there. And somebody say so. See, there's the little short bolts that come out. I'm gonna lay those right here. Then I'm gonna take this. The top one doesn't go in yet. These are all the same length bolts. Now you have this wire. You got your wire up in here, and they kind of have a cutout, but it seems to me like it is going to squeeze it a little bit. Now I have to get this piece. I'm hoping I have this. This is how I'm putting it in right here. This is the piece that when you look at the instructions, the picture is very dark. And it's hard to see the relationship of how these go, but this is what I'm gathering here. So we're going to try that. See what happens. This is, you get the long bolt, of course, the bushing, this piece, and this little clip that you have to put on here. So first I'm going to put this in and get my bolt started in there. Then I'm going to see if I can finagle this stuff in here. Where the hell is my goddamn... I lose shit in about 30 seconds. Makes me go crazy. I mean, I sit it on my lap and I'm looking for it. Okay, I know you guys can't see this. I'm trying to wrestle the bushing on. Now I'm going to throw this little chain buffer slider, whatever you want to call it, in. See if I can get this started now. Come on. What the hell? Was that a bigger... Oh, the damn plastic is in the way. I get aggravated pretty easy when things don't go my way. I don't know if this thing is starting or not. I'm having a little trouble here. Okay. I think we're started. All right. Now I'm going to get back to this. I'm going to read the instructions here. I don't know if they give you any torque specs on these or not. Just says tighten 3 bolts in a star pattern. I do not see any torque specs, so you could probably look in your manual and see what the torque specs are on the original bolts. I mean, you may want to put some Loctite on these. I'm just giving them a snug, and I will check them after one ride. Now it says to make sure this chain slider is against the air box, which it is. I have it pushed up against the air box. That's what the instructions are telling me. You got to get past that plastic. And I will get this tightened up. Okay. Well, there you go. Enduro Engineering. Try to get the... Right there you go. That's what it looks like. Nice black anodized cover protector. If you've got any questions, you know where to put them. Right down here. Right down there in the comments. Like, subscribe, get on your bike and get outside.